Yes, students. Now see demonstration the role of the diaphragm in breathing. Okay, we have studied in the last video. We have studied that the mechanism of breathing. Okay, and by this we are demonstrating the role of the diaphragm in breathing. Okay, for this activity we require some material, a transparent plastic bottle, balloon, straw, and bubble gum. Okay, so what is the procedure? Procedure, we have to cut off the bottom of the transparent plastic bottles. Okay, bottom we have to cut like this. Okay, half our bottles we have to cut bottoms, then make a hole through the cap. We have to make a hole through the cap. Okay, this is the cap. Then after, attach a balloon to a straw and pass this straw through the hole present in a cap. Okay, you can see here straw is there. Okay, straw, and this straw is further divided into two parts. Okay, then we have to use a bubble gum to fix the straw in this cap. Then stretch what we have to rubber sheet, stretch a rubber sheet or a balloon across the cut. Okay, at the end of the bottle. Then we have to pull the balloon or rubber sheet down and then push it up. Okay, you can see here. As we pull this rubber sheet down, okay, then what happened? The volume increases. Inside the volume increases, okay, and pressure decreases. Okay, that's why what happened, that's why the oxygen comes inside the, okay, inside the straw. Get it? Okay, so pulling the rubber sheet down then result in filling up the balloon with the air. Okay, that's why the lungs becomes inflat. Okay, get it? Like a balloon, balloon में हवा भरते हैं तो वो क्या हो जाता है, इन्फ्लैट हो जाता है. ओके, गेट इट? तो जैसे ही क्या हुआ, इंक्रीज हुआ, एयर इन आई, वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज हुआ, प्रेशर डिक्रीज हुआ. ओके, वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज होता है, प्रेशर डिक्रीज हो गया, और क्या हो गया है, एयर इनसाइड आ गई है. Like this, as we again in the second thing, when we pushing up the rubber sheet, okay, then what we can see, push कर रहे हैं वापस से again, है ना, outward कर रहे हैं उसको, है ना, then volume decreases, volume decrease हुआ है और pressure increase होगा. Okay, pressure will increase, volume decrease, then what will happen, the oxygen that is present, sorry, this carbon dioxide that is present inside the lungs, it exhaled outside. ओके, तो द एयर जो बैलून में है, यहाँ पर तो एयर है, जो बैलून के अंदर एयर है वो क्या हो गई, बाहर एक्सपायर हो गई ना, एक्सपिरेशन हो गया उसका. गेट इट? तो नाउ दिस इज द, यू कैन से दिस इज द डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन ऑफ द डायफ्राम. ओके, डायफ्राम दैट इज हेल्प इन द ब्रीदिंग. ओके, हम घर पर भी हम इसका मॉडल बना सकते हैं, एंड यू कैन सी इट. ओके, गेट इट? नाउ आफ्टर दिस, let's see the respiration in plants. You know that we are doing the respiration, human being do the respiration, living thing do the respiration, but plants also do the respiration. Plants भी क्या करते हैं, respiration करते हैं. Okay, जैसे other living organisms respiration करते हैं, like this plant also respire. Okay, why they respire? To get the energy from the food. Okay, because they also prepare the food, and these energy they get from the food when they respire. Okay, so they also take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide by the process of respiration like us. Okay, but in a plant, each part can independently exchange gases from their surroundings. Okay, get it? So now in the green plants, you know that in the green plants, parts of the plant, special pores are present. Okay, special tiny pores are present, and these tiny pores are known as stomata. Okay, and from this stomata exchange of gases take place. Oxygen अंदर जाती है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर आएगी during the respiration through the stomata. Okay, get it? The stomata, the exchange of gases take place with it, and like this. But the non-green plants, instead of stomata, they have a lenticles are present. Okay, they having a lenticles, उनमें lenticles होते हैं non-green plants में, that help in the exchange of gases. Okay, and the shoot, the part above the ground of a plant, take in oxygen from the atmosphere, but the underground part as a roots take oxygen from the air spaces present between the soil particle. Okay, so one should not over water. That's why we have not to overwater the plants, because the water replaces the air present between the soil particles. Get it? So like this, plants also respire like us. Get it? So now your chapter is completed.